just decided to go and give it a crank, and it started. It ran, when it first started, it kind of hesitated and got faster and faster. Dirt bikes on the road. Anyway, I had just finished washing it this morning. Last night I fixed my pressure washer, and I made it, I rigged up my water pump from my sprayer tanks to run the pressure washer. So I washed it all off because it was pretty, it still had all that wet manure from spring thaw. So I got her all cleaned up in that. And thought I'd just decide to give it a whirl, and it's running now. I didn't do anything. Not since I took the last video. I haven't done anything to it except wash it. So, I don't know. It's kind of strange because a lot of people were telling me to disconnect the drive shaft that runs to the tranny, and you can disconnect it there. And if it runs, you'll see if it's a transmission or an engine problem. But I didn't do anything. I didn't touch anything so far. But like I said, one day it runs, the next day it won't. And I'm thinking it's an engine, something with the pump. A lot of people are telling me that return line, which is what we were messing with. This here actually has new parts, a new valve in here. This is your return. A lot of times before, people were telling me that could be plugged. That valve could be still screwed. But I know on this tractor before, when it was running, that line would be pulsating, and it's not pulsating right now, so I don't know. But here's the thing: the last time it was running, we tried the Powershift lever. Now, someone had mentioned too that sometimes you can have a short in the electronic shifter switch, and it could be trying to put it in two. It could be engaging two clutch packs at once. So I'm gonna run up there and try and turn it down. It's in fourth. It's in the fourth power shift right now. So I'm gonna try and see what happens. Kills it dead. Kills it dead. In a second. So I put it back into fourth. See if she'll start. Yeah. So that's what it was doing before. So it's back to doing that again. So that kind of tells me it's either something electronic or there is a clutch that's gone somewhere. Power shift clutch. So anyway, yeah, this is the old valve that we changed from the pump. See, now the funny thing is when we took this one from the MX 120, it worked, it ran. But when we put this one back in, it wouldn't run. I don't know. But I was trying to start it the other day when I took this video because I wanted to get it into our deer dealer wants to have a look at it. So I just have no way to get it there right now. And I would use that trailer, but my sprayer tanks are on it. So I'm kind of in a bind here. So anyway, that's just an update on the tractor. Strange yet. Alright, thanks for watching.